Hello, everyone. This is Angel from the Managed Services team here at Planet. I'm here to update you on this week's Play of the Week. Today, we have a new update that is currently in development for GCC customers called Endpoint Discovery, which is a feature coming to Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. Endpoint Discovery provides you and your organization the ability to scan, detect, and report against unmanaged devices that are connecting to your network. Once unmanaged devices are detected, you then have the ability to onboard and secure those devices by using Microsoft Defender. This empowers and provides the opportunity for closing the unmanaged endpoint gap, which is an easy target for attackers. By using the remediation options presented as part of the built-in Microsoft security recommendations, you are able to track, remediate, and onboard unmanaged devices from inside the Microsoft Endpoint Manager console. Thanks for tuning in to this edition of our Play of the Week, and please don't hesitate to reach out to your internal IT team or us here at Planet with any questions you may have. Thanks again, and have a great week.